Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079473, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. And let the scan complete. The scan will take some time. In my case, it's already done. Once it is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, go to Windows Update. And over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. And once it is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere, you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. And then check your system type, so go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and click on KB5079473 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this click on this file, install the update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected, click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.